Today we're gonna fix a meal, y'all, that's really good for Henry and good for our daughter Michelle because she's got us another boy in here. So I'm gonna make us some chicken cutlets, pretzel-crusted chicken.
Oh, Henry's
cutlets.
gonna love those.
Henry will love it because Henry loves a pretzel, y'all. We're gonna need about 1.5 cups of crushed pretzels. So if you'd stick that in the bag and just beat the heck out of it with the rolling pin, okay?
Okay.
Let's get some more and give this to your daddy. That'll give him something to do.
I can't remember exactly how you say it, but that's why I'm so worried about having 2 boys, is because once they take a wife,
sorry.
that's it.
You know,
What is it that you said?
a daughter is a daughter all of her life.
Yes.
A son is a son until he takes a wife. Sorry, y'all, but girls have power. I see the way you and Daniel love Henry. Y'all not gonna have any problems. All right, you know what? I need for you to chop up a couple of tablespoons of thyme, and we're gonna do a couple of eggs because we're gonna dip them in our wet first, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard because this will be good with those pretzels. Let's get the chicken cutlets out of here.
yeah.
Right there, they're in that bag. All right, so let's salt and pepper those, baby. You know, I've been amazed at Henry's palate. He really has liked some unusual dishes right from the start, hadn't he, Michelle?
He has.
I'm gonna spray this a little
Well,
bit.
he pretty much just eats whatever we eat. So, I mean,
You
salmon,
can just
Brussels
leave it
sprouts,
laying
anything.
in there and
Whoops,
kind of
sorry.
pat. That's all right. Just kind of pat it on, you know, good.
The
That's
only
all
thing
right.
I have seen him spit out was egg salad.
Yeah, that is the only thing.
I tried to give him some egg salad the other night.
You can't trick him with egg salad. I can tell you that.
What was that shrimp gumbo we were eating not too long ago?
Oh my gosh, he
gobbled that
loved
up
it.
too.
He loved it, didn't he? Yum, this looks so good.
What are you doing to it? I didn't
Well,
coat it enough.
No, I'm just reading. Now that it's had a chance to dry a second, I'm just gonna reinforce it with a second coat. And those fine crumbs are kind of in the bottom. Yum. Yeah, you want to get rid of that, sweetie, and we'll see if our grease is about ready. Alrighty, that looks really way good, doesn't it?
That does look really good.
Now we're gonna just brown this, Michelle, a little bit on each side, and then we're gonna put it on our pan, and we're gonna put the oven on low, y'all, and just kind of let it just like low simmer until we're ready to eat, so don't go anywhere. I'm in here with Papa and Michelle today in the kitchen, and we're cooking up a meal that hopefully will be good for Henry, and the rest of us will love. Now, we stuck our pretzel-coated chicken into the oven, and we're kind of cooking that like real low, because we don't want it to dry out. I think I'm gonna make us a cheese sauce for the chicken. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
And Michael, a couple of tablespoons of butter for me. And if you would just flip on that eye right there, please.
Okie dokie.
I'm gonna let my butter melt, y'all. I'm gonna add a couple of tablespoons of flour, and then I'm gonna add in the milk. And while I'm waiting for our butter, I'm gonna be grating our cheese. Uh-oh, I hear Henry. Henry! Guinea's hurrying. It's Papa and your mama that slowed us down. Why not blame them? Y'all hurry. We got a hungry boy. Michael, you did a good bit of cooking while your kids were growing up, didn't you?
You know, I did a little bit. There was a few things I had that I was really good at. Chicken and dumplings.
An egg sandwich, y'all.
Egg sandwich. I could
Yum.
do a pretty serious egg sandwich.
Michelle, what was your favorite thing that your daddy made you?
Ooh, grilled steak.
Grilled steak. Michelle's.
And twice baked potatoes.
Yes.
And then barbecue shrimp.
To this day, every Christmas, Daddy still does his twice baked potatoes with the shrimp. It takes him all day long, I have to say.
Well, you can't rush an artist.
But he does a heck of a job. All right, now I've got my flour in with our butter, and that's gonna tighten this sauce up. I'm gonna just slowly add that milk. All right.
Let's swap.
I would love to swap with you, thank you. And Michelle, we're gonna add this cheese to our sauce once it starts thickening up. So that's coming along. All right, Mikey, just dump the cheese in there.
You want me to pull the chicken out?
Yes, let's pull the chicken out.
More chicken,
If Henry gives me 15 minutes. That looks yummy. So Daniel, I got everybody's take on when you and Michelle first met.
Nobody ever intimidated me a day in my life until I met him.
Well, it worked. I've got to say it worked out perfect.
It worked out real good, actually.
Here at Michelle,
Oh,
let's
sorry.
start fixing our plates, because that baby is hungry. A little cheese sauce for our pretzel chicken. Don't we love a pretzel dipped in
Chicken.
cheese?
Right.
Yes, precious.
Y'all remember when Henry first started eating and he'd see you and he'd say, when he first saw you?
See, I knew who had the goods.
I think you thought that was your name.
Here, Mikey. You want to taste something delicious? How did we all get so fat around here? It's so hard to get to eat a meal. How did this happen?
Yeah, man. Michelle, did you try the meat?
It's delicious.
Well, listen, y'all eat up, because I know it's time for Henry's nap.
And can you say bye-bye, Henry? Say bye-bye.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.